Where you want to cut?
I want to cut the feet.
Small feet. Cut small.
You
What's that?
video it?
Yeah, I'm a video.
Watching the bear.
That's too big. Ayuk. Okay.
Look. Come on, hold.
A beautiful bear. Poor bear.
That's the pound ball.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow, look at that.
Can't
It's
take it
pretty.
off. Nope, can't take it off.
No, can leave it inside. Make it pretty. Wow, look at that. I like it. More deepy, more in. So this way it don't come out. Yes.
It's but teddy bear is very hard.
Not hard because you didn't push in.
I don't want to make her feet. I forgot to don't cut the feet.
Okay, now you can do it.
It's not long enough.
No, it's long enough.
Everything's right. Oh no.
Use the small one. The big one's finished. Here, the big one. Do 2 times. One more. So this will not come out.
This one.
Good. More harder. Yes.
Okay, it's really done.
Okay.
Ready? Okay, push it.
Wow, beautiful bear. Oh no, bear's in head. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at my head. Oh, that's beautiful. Where's the arm?
The arm. You make it bigger.
Huh. Yes.
Should I cut?
Not yet. Can be more bigger.
Come on, the arm.
Yeah. You can cut. You can cut. You can cut. Oh, my. Ah! Oh, sure. My feet, my shoes. Oh, wet now.
Okay.
Good job. Okay, close the water, please. The other way. Yes.
Okay, show me the bear.
Show you the bear. Look. Oh, poor bear.
Mama.
Hey,
The bouncy ball. Look.
where's the ball? Still working. Oh my, not too close. Look at that.
Okay, pause.